Hello, my name is Jammir Gray. I'm the executive chef of Compline in Napa Valley. Compline is a farm-to-table restaurant. We source about 80% of all of our produce and meats right here in California. Serving lamb on the menu is a really natural fit here in Napa Valley because it pairs really well with Napa Valley wines, and the grazing sheep are actually used in many of the vineyard's sustainable management practices. The Merguez Lamb Roll with Date Chutney was recently on our menu and had an enthusiastic fan following. Merguez is a North African sausage traditionally made with lamb. It's very popular in Morocco. To make the merguez sausage, in a stand mixer bowl, mix ground lamb, garlic, salt, fennel seeds, cinnamon, chili flakes, coriander, and cumin. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, add in the harissa paste and the cold water, and mix until homogeneous. The lamb flavor really goes well with all of these warm, strong spices. Portion out the sausage into 5-ounce pieces and shape them into 2 by 6-inch patties. In a skillet over medium-high heat, sear both sides of the sausage until a nice crust forms. Drain any excess fat on a paper towel and refrigerate until needed. Place the patty in the middle of rolled puff pastry and fold over the top and bottom panels, making sure to seal it closed with beaten egg. Flip the pastry, making sure the sealed side is on the bottom. Crimp the open sides of the pastry and close on both sides. Make 3 incisions on top of the pastry and brush the surface with a beaten egg. Sprinkle with nigella seeds. Bake in a 475-degree oven for 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Serve hot with a date chutney on the side. The sweet date chutney was inspired by a traditional English condiment called a Branston pickle, and it pairs really well with the spicy merguez sausage. This dish was inspired by my love for English pub food, and I like to think that it is a worldly, elevated version of a meat pie.